All right, folks, Bob here, Bob's Basic Cars and Parts. I'm up here at a classic car auction. We just walked up on this, kind of a butterscotch color, 4-wheel drive. I'm guessing there's a spare tire mount that went there, or maybe some gas cans, probably a spare tire mount. Kind of an off-white interior. I can smell it. It smells like it's been freshly painted. Seat's just been reapplied. I can definitely smell the paint. Yeah, we got some deals. She's not completely restored, but he did a pretty good job of getting it fixed up. Check that out. I'm sorry. I looked at that wrong. I don't know, I was thinking 3,600, that'd be a 1-ton. Napco 4-wheel drive. This would be a 1956 Chevrolet. Oh, this is a nice looking truck. I'd enjoy having this. I really would. And they need to restore this. A lot of pot metal. I mean, a lot of pitting. Not quite yet done. Need to put a mirror on it. And that glass. A few little things here and there. Still very nice. Get a bed. Back in the day, they had wood bed planking. Probably should do that again. It's so much easier to fix it when it starts to rot out. All right, folks, Bob out. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that thumbs up. Watch some of the other videos we got. We got some cool stuff on the channel. Get back and get you a good look at this thing.